Let's see example 9.4. Suppose while sitting in a parked car, you notice a jogger approaching towards you in the side view mirror of r is equal to 2 meter. So what is happening? So you are sitting in a car. You are sitting in a car. So car is still. Car is not moving. And in the same car, as you know, all cars have side view mirror. So this is our rear view mirror. So in this side view mirror has a radius of curvature r is equal to 2 meter. That means radius of curvature is very large. And in this mirror, you see a jogger. You see a jogger is running. Jogger is running. And his or her running speed is 5 meter per second. How fast the image of the jogger appear to move if when the jogger is at 39 meter, 29 meter, 19 meter and 9 meter away. So definitely jogger is coming closer. Jogger is coming closer. And we know the speed is 5 meter per second. So at first time the jogger is 39 meter away. Next time it is 29 meter away. Third time it is 19 meter away, and last time it is just 9 meter away from the mirror. So let us see the situation once again. So this is the parked car. So this is stationary. This is not moving. This is a stationary car. And we are sitting at this position. We are sitting in this car and we are seeing a jogger coming towards this car. The speed of the jogger is 5 meter per second and we have to tell how fast the image of the jogger appear to move. So we have to tell what is the speed of the image, not the jogger. Jogger's speed is 5 meter per second. So we have to tell what is the speed of this image, and we have given 4 conditions. In first condition, the jogger is 39 meter away. In the second time, it is 29 meter away. Then he or she is 19 meter away. Then last 9 meter away. So we have to tell what is the speed of the image, or if the jogger is running at this speed, how fast the image of the jogger appear to move. So how fast the image of the jogger appear to move, it has a very simple meaning. The meaning is simple. Image of speed of the image, nothing but speed of the image. So we have to tell what would be the speed of the image. That is our question. And we don't have to tell because definitely the speed will not remain constant. As we have seen, as he or she comes close, as the distance change with this mirror, the speed will also change. Now we have to tell how this speed will change with different distances when he or she is 39, 29, 19 or 9 meter away. So we have to tell. So let us solve this problem. Now from the mirror equation, so let us see what was the mirror equation. Mirror equation was 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. So from this we got this 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. So let us take this common. So f and u minus f. This is 1 by v, and v is nothing but fu upon u minus f. So this is our formula for v. This is the image. This is the image distance. This is the distance of the image by mirror's formula. This is not the velocity. Don't consider it the velocity. This is the distance of the image v. Now we have already learned the mirrors in the cars are convex mirrors. First we have to know the mirrors in the car are always convex mirror. We never have concave mirrors. We never have concave mirrors in the car. We always have convex mirrors. So first of all, our mirror is a convex mirror. So for convex mirror, R is given 2 meter. So we have already seen, we have drawn this diagram. So for this convex mirror, this R is always on the right side. So that means R is nothing but plus 2 meter. So R is 2 meter. That's why it is written positive, because we have already learned for convex mirror this is on the right side. So if R is 2 meter, so F is nothing but R by 2. So F is equal to 1 meter. So now we know F, we know U is given 39, 29, 19 and 9 meter. So different values of U are given to us and we already know what is the value of F. So in the first case, so this was our mirror. The F is 1 meter that we have calculated, R is equal to 2 meter and rudder is coming in this direction. So definitely this was our mirror and this is our pole. This is 9 meter, 19 meter, 29 meter and 39 meter. All these distances are negative. 39 minus 29 minus 19 and minus 9 meter. All these U are in negative. F is in positive. Now we have to tell what is the value of V. What is the value of V? So U is equal to minus 39. F is equal to 1 meter. Now we have to calculate V. So in first case, minus 39, because U is minus 39, F is equal to 1. U minus F, minus 39 and minus and plus is again minus. So what we get? 39 upon 40 meter. So this is the distance of the image. This is the distance of the image. Since the jogger moves at a constant speed of 5 meter per second, after 1 second the position of the image. So how can we calculate this velocity? So to calculate the velocity, we need change in to calculate the velocity or calculate the speed, we need change in distance. So let us write dx upon dt, change in time. So here we are approximating that after 1 second. So this is at initial time when we are given. After 1 second, t is equal to 0, the position was minus 39 meter. At t is equal to 1 second, what would be the position? So definitely jogger would have been traveled 5 meter more. So this was minus 39, this will become minus 34. So u will become minus 34 meter. So in real life, he or she has traveled 5 meter in 1 second. But let us see what is the change for the image. What is the distance that image has traveled? So this was the first position of the image. Since the jogger moves at a constant speed of 5 meter per second, after 1 second the position of image. So definitely, so first we need to know what is the distance of the jogger. So distance of the jogger is minus 39 plus 5, that means minus 34, because the jogger is coming towards the mirror. So previously he was at minus 39, now he or she is at minus 34. So from this formula we have calculated V is nothing but minus 34, F is same, that means 1, minus 34 minus 1, that means minus 34 by 35. So this is the position of the image. So at t is equal to 0, the position of image was 39 by 40 meter. At t is equal to 1, so this is positive because this minus and minus will cancel out, so this become positive. At t is equal to 1, V is equal to 34 upon 40 meter. So now we have the time, delta t is 1 second and we can also calculate what is delta V, that means change in position. So now speed is nothing but this distance minus this distance upon time. So 39 upon 40 minus 34 upon 35. So this was also 35, this was 35, not 40, this was 35, and divided by time is 1 second. So this is our equation, So let us multiply. The multiplication of 40 into 35 is 1400. 39 into 35, this is 1365. 34 into 40, this is 1360. So when we calculate this, so what we get? 5 upon 1400. So the speed is 1 by 280 meter. 1 by 280 meter. Therefore, the average speed of the image when jogger is between 39 and 34 meter from the mirror, it is 1 by 280 meter per second. So, the speed of the image is far slower than the actual speed of the jogger. So, what we have seen, the speed of the image is very slow. Now, similarly, it can be seen at u is equal to minus 19, minus 29, minus 19 and minus 9. The speeds of the image, similar way we can calculate. So, what we have to do? We have to take, in this case, u is equal to minus 29 and then u is equal to minus 24. This is one pair. Another pair is u is equal to minus 19 and minus 40. Third pair is u is equal to minus 9 and u is equal to minus 4 meter. So, with all these data points we can solve. We can solve just by putting, because f will remain same. F is 1 for all the cases. And how can we calculate this speed? Speed is nothing but we get 1v from here, 1v from here. So, v1 minus v2 divided by time, and time we are taking 1 second. So, this is gone, this is completely gone because it is 1. So, we have to take the difference between the image points and tell that is the speed. So, what we get after solving? We get 1 by 150 meter per second, 1 by 60 meter per second and 1 by 10 meter per second respectively. Previously it was 1 by 280. All the jogger has been moving with a constant speed. The speed of her image appears to increase as she moves closer to the mirror. This we have already seen that it depends completely on the position of the object. This phenomena can be noticed by any person sitting in a stationary car or a bus. In case of moving vehicles, a similar phenomena could be observed if the vehicle is in the rear is moving closer at a constant speed. So, this phenomena can be observed when we are sitting in a parked car or the vehicle which is just behind us is moving closer with a constant speed.